Crime investigation. Wilson Reyes Castro. What was the crime? The two robbers stole 100,000 in cash at the National Bank. Describe the crime scene. It was a normal and sunny day when the robber came in at the bank with goods and they were told the people to be quiet while the people were on the ground. One of the robbers told the manager what weighed him all the money and then the robber ran away. The manager called the police but the robber arrived far away. What was the evidence? One of the evidence was the cashier's cell phone on also her coffee cup with liquid mark, cigarette inside and outside the bank that it had the fingerprint on Miss Barry and the author had the police what a psychological report of Miss Barry, which of the suspected to you consider was guilty explain why. It could the weak cashier, one of the those involved with the ready for the evidence what was and the crime scene. The cashier had planned the robbery with the bank manager and really see he had so that the thieves would steal the money and the police would not catch them. Analysis of the crime. 1. The manager called the police. The three were already away from the bank. Why did the hold wait so long to call the police? The cashier wrote before and running the debt in her cell phone and then the police from text manager when she planned to go to dinner with the manager. Could this be an appointment to celebrate the success of the robbery planned by both? The police found the cashier cup in the manager's office. Maybe they were talking about the robbery and how they ever got to enjoy the money after the robbery and escape away from their sentimental partners.